In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon in Notion Gallery View in a quick and simple way. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you already have a Notion database that's using the gallery view. This is the layout where each item appears as a card. Icons are a great way to make those cards easier to recognize at a glance, and to give your workspace a bit more personality. To get started, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the gallery database where you want to add an icon. Now, look for the option to create a new entry in your gallery. Usually, you'll see a card that says New or New Page at the end of your existing cards. Go ahead and click on that to create a new page in your gallery view. When that new page opens, you'll see a blank page with a title field at the top. Right above the title, Notion gives you options to customize the look of the page. One of these options is to add an icon. This is what we're going to focus on. Move your cursor near the top of the page until you see the Add Icon button. Click on Add Icon. As soon as you do, Notion will automatically apply a default icon to your page, and you'll see it appear right above the title. From here, you can customize it. Click on the icon again to open the icon menu. You'll see several choices: built-in emojis, a search bar for different symbols, and, depending on your version of Notion, options to upload your own image or pull icons from external sources. You don't need to use all of these. Even choosing a simple emoji can make your gallery card stand out. Take a moment to pick an icon that matches the content or purpose of the page. For example, you might use a light bulb for ideas, a book for notes, or a check mark for tasks. Once you select the icon, it will automatically update at the top of the page. Now, go back to your gallery view. You'll see that the card for this new page now shows the icon you just selected. This makes it much easier to scan through your gallery and find what you need. And that's all there is to it. Create a new page in your gallery, click Add Icon, choose the icon you like, and your gallery cards will look cleaner, clearer, and more visually organized.